Today I want to give you an update of the papayas that I try to do air layering. Looks like it didn't work because we had heavy rain and heavy wind, so both of them broke. This one fell down probably a week or two ago and I just left it hanging like that. This one last night, I think that's when it happened, so I'm gonna just cut it off. This one I'm not sure if I can just put it in a pot to see if it will grow roots. I'm gonna test that one, so I need to be careful when I cut it off. It looks like, not sure if it's visible on camera, but I see some roots already grew. Maybe I can make it work. So I'm gonna trim some of the leaves, so because now it doesn't get any support from the main tree anymore. It's gonna be relying basically on the soil from the pots. So I trim off most leaves and put it in the pot. I thought there were some roots, but I checked, I didn't see any, but I put it in the pot anyway, so we'll see. It is an experiment anyway, so we'll check back in a few weeks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.